And that's what happens when you ride a Carnival ride. Okay, so hi. You could barely hear me and I didn't have a mic and I still don't. But basically, we're at the province and we went to a nearby carnival to try some rides out for the first time.
Okay, we're in. It's so funny. So it's like a town fair. No, there's no way that's safe. I smell coffee right now. Are we starting? Wala. Are we starting? Oh no, we are. Not yet.
Kuya, picture mo kami kuya. Ay, picture pa din kuya.
A video. Oh, it's okay, it's okay. That's crazy! Oh! Whoa! Whoa! Yo! That's crazy! Yo! That's big! Yo! Whoa! That's funny! Faster! Let's go! One more! Whoa! Yo! There's no seatbelt! Oh, I'm falling off my seat! I'm falling off my seat! I love this. He said one more for me. Someone paid for me.
One more, really?
Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah.
Well, let's go. Oh, the stars are nice.
Dope shit like that, Jeremy. Oh, hi. Welcome back, kids. Follow your dreams.
We're going to the beach right now.
Wanna get a mansion, a jacuzzi, a theater to watch my movies. Whips and lots of fancy things. The kids they call the Goonies.
Linen trousers.
Mirror hanging on the wall. With a flashlight
Something
for
very
you at the
cool.
mall. Got your girlfriend screening all the calls. She bubbling, we fucking and you cuddling. Like baby, where the fuck you been? I wanna tell you she in love with him. So we ain't saying nothing. You could probably tell she bluffing. Cause she kissed you with the mouth. She gave me head with my concussion. Yeah, she blushing. All red. Wanna rush and go to bed.
We're at the resort and okay, so I thought there would be the sand part of the beach, but it turns out you go straight in the water. I mean, it's nice. Here's the pool area. We went swimming for a while. I didn't get to record that part, but look at this view. It's sunset and there's a lighthouse there. See that? Yeah. It's relaxing. It's everything that you think of when you think of beach.
I'm drunk as fuck. Most dope, bitch. Hey.
The waves are crazy. They're overflowing the fences. But did you see that? What was that? It's the lightning. I caught it on cam.